This week I am testing the new Nissan Navara. This is a dual cab ute. I'm going to be testing it with my family on board, so doing our usual school runs and shopping trips and seeing how child seats fit in the back, seeing how the tray is practical for family life, and the media, the drive and the tech. So let's jump straight in and find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The tailgate of the Nissan Navara opens manually, and it does come down obviously at toddler head height, so you just got to be aware of that when you've got your kids around. Now the place for the spare tyre is underneath, so it's easy to access. There's no sockets or anything in the tray of the Navara, so if you're camping or anything you don't have that luxury. There are a couple of tie-down points. Let's find out how a range of prams fit in the tray of the Nissan Navara. When empty, the tray of the Nissan Navara dual cab ute will hold 28 shopping bags, or a multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the tray of the Nissan Navara with 18 shopping bags. The same multi-configuration pram with two sibling seats will fit in the tray of the Nissan Navara with 18 shopping bags. And the multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the tray of the Nissan Navara dual cab ute side by side with 14 shopping bags. Or a single running stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the tray with 14 shopping bags. Or a twin side by side running stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the tray with 14 shopping bags. A compact and lightweight folding stroller fits in the tray of the Nissan Navara dual cab ute with 20 shopping bags. Or you can fit two 90 litre, two 70 litre and two 40 litre duffel bags in the tray, or a few large dogs. If you're looking at buying the new Nissan Navara, or if you'd like some advice about which car might suit your family, then just click on the link above and you can get in touch and I'll be happy to help. In the back of the Nissan Navara there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're lovely and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages for the two outer rear seats only. There's no top tether anchorage for the central seat, so you can't install a child seat there. The top tether anchorages in here are woven loops behind the outer headrests and a metal tether anchorage behind the central headrest. So you thread your top tether strap through the woven loop and across and attach it onto the metal loop behind the central headrest. So two child seats fit in here really nicely. There's space between for an adult to sit comfortably. With a forward-facing child seat in the back here, you can fit about a 182 centimetre driver in front, or with forward-facing child seats, 186 centimetre or taller driver can fit in the front there. In the rear footwell, there is a hump in the central seat footwell, so you do have to straddle that if you're sitting in that central seat, but it's not too bad, nice and easy for passengers to access their seats. In the back of the Nissan Navara, storage is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with two cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. On the back of both front seats are mat pockets that will hold an iPad. And on the back of the front passenger seat, there's also two extra little storage pouches at the top of there, good for popping a mobile phone or a kid's toy, something like that. The door bins are good in the back of the Navara. They will fit a refillable water bottle, and an iPad or something like that will fit in there too. And there's the storage handle wells in the doors as well. Passengers in the back of the new Nissan Navara are kept nice and comfortable. There are air vents in the ceiling to keep little passengers the right temperature. However, you can't set that as a separate temperature. It kind of recycles the air in the cabin. So I do find on hot days I need to send the air from the front vents up to the rear ceiling so that it can circulate that to cool passengers in the back. Otherwise it's just circulating the warm air in the back. Now there are handles above both of the rear doors, so you can hang a little toy on there for rear facing passengers to keep them entertained while you're driving along, and there's a light in the ceiling so you can see what you're doing when you're popping your kids in and out at night. When it comes to safety in the new Navara, it does have a 5-star ANCAP safety rating. It has 8 airbags as standard, including airbags that extend to the second row passengers. In the ANCAP safety testing, it scored 89% for child occupancy and 86% for adult occupancy. In the front of the Nissan Navara, things are really nice and kind of minimal. They feel quite tough, easy to keep clean, just nice and minimal, clutter-free. It's a good dash, nice and comfortable for the grown-ups in the front here. The seats are very comfortable as well. They are manually adjusted, but they feel really nice and comfortable. There are air vents across the dash, 2 in the middle and 1 at each end, so you can keep yourself nice and cool. There are no vanity mirrors in the front visors, but there is a glasses case in the ceiling. When it comes to storage in the front here, there are 2 cup holders down in the central console. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. There's a small central console box behind them, and in front of the gear lever there is a tray for a mobile phone, but it's not wirelessly charged. Above that there are USB, USB-C and 12-volt sockets. In the dash there is an enormous storage space, which is great. My kids have popped their strawberries and their lunchbox in there this week, so really good, useful storage for families. The glove box is a good size in the front here. That would hold a wallet and iPad with the manual. The door bins in the front are a good size. They will hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad or wallet fits in there, and there's the storage handle wells too. The media system in the Nissan Navara is nice and easy to navigate and to use. Now, along the bottom of the screen here is really easy shortcuts. So you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can access your phone and apps and things while driving. Also, here is your settings screen, so you can go in there and customise lots of things about the ute. Here's the sound one, which is obviously really important for families. Also in here you've got volumes and beeps, another really important one for families as well, just to make it a much more enjoyable drive. Now you can also, when you put it in reverse, those camera images are pretty clear. They do fill the screen, so you can easily see and manoeuvre when you're parking. You can turn the screen dim as well and control the brightness, which is a really good one because sometimes when you're driving at night that's just a little bit too intense. So I do really like that that's an easy shortcut on the screen. ADAS settings are within the driver display screens. They're not within the media screen, and down below the media screen here you've got your aircon controls. So they're really nice and easy to access and to use while you're driving. Which is lovely that they're not hidden within the media screen. The new Nissan Navara is really nice to drive. It really settles well after bumps and things like that. It's actually just really enjoyable. It's quite nice and spacious in here, especially with only 2 child seats in the back, so it does feel like you have your own personal space as well. Turning circle is good, the steering's quite light, so it's really nice and easy to manoeuvre and to park as well. Now it does have a 3.5 tonne towing capacity, so you can easily tow your caravan or camper trailer and things like that. And visibility is very good in here too, especially only having 2 child seats in the back. You can see really easily out of that rear windscreen. So to sum up with the new Nissan Navara, it does make a great family dual cab ute. You can fit those 2 child seats in the back nicely with space between them for another passenger, and legroom is good, fitting a 182cm driver in front of a rear-facing child seat. The tray space is good, you can fit the kids' bikes, kayaks, things like that in there, and prams fit nicely. The drive is really nice in the new Navara as well, and the media system and cameras are good.